See if I can jump this, backflip it, and land it in my bed of my pickup. Hey, what's up, guys? I am here with my Kraton 4S a day after running my 8S at the BMX track. It is way too cold to go to the track. In fact, I shouldn't even be out. It's 33 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 degree above freezing, which normally doesn't agree with plastic, RC plastic, but I just feel like running it, and I might try something a little different at the end of the bash. I'll see how it goes, and then I'll let you know. Right now I just got to get warmed up, and I got to judge distance off my ramp here. I haven't run this thing in a while. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, you suck. I got a stick stuck in here. This battery, I think, is pretty hurt. It took an hour. It's a 4S. I forget how many milliamp it is, but it took 90 minutes for it to charge. And one of the cells, the internal resistance on it is a disaster. All right, we're getting good speed, but let me try. All right, let's see what we can do here. See if I can jump this, backflip it, and land it in my bed of my pickup. Now I'm going to do it with the gate closed, I mean open. And if I can do that and I get a feeling of where it's going to land, then I'll put the gate up. And I might just ball this thing up on the first go, and that'll be it. And then nobody will be seeing this. But I'm bored, you can't tell. I'd rather be short than long. Here we go. Oh, too far. Too far. Oh, too far. Too far. Anything broken? Nope. All right, let's pull it up a little more. That was pretty cool. All right. I'll give A for effort on that one. All right, take two. Nope. Ah, there goes the arm. Nope. there goes the arm. Damn it! I couldn't have hit it where I was going. It would have been a disaster. That's a bummer because I don't have any of these arms. I can't blame the truck on that one. Oh well. That was fun while it lasted. I will have to come back and... Oh, it looks like it broke the... Did it break the hub? Those I might... They're just, I don't think they're the same hubs as the 3S trucks. Otherwise, I'd steal one off of there. I don't think they are. I have the turnbuckles. Oh, well. All right, guys. Hey, it was worth a shot, right? You know, I'm bored. Any of you guys out there that want to try something that's, you know, a little different, you know, not high and far, but just trying to land it in a spot or whatever. I mean, I'd love to see it. I mean, this stuff's cool, and I know RC Dude has done some pretty cool stuff with his trucks. So let's see it, guys. If you can do something cool, put it up there and tag me. All right, I'll see you next time. Peace.